Hello everyone, today in front of me I have OnePlus Nord 2T smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can set Opera as your default browser. So the first way to do that is to open up the settings. Here scroll down and find the apps category. At the apps category you want to head straight to the default apps. At the browser app just select Opera. And as you can see now, that will effectively mean that you have successfully set Opera as your default browser. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application, so let's go ahead and open it. Here at the bottom right corner you want to tap on your avatar, then on this gear icon that stands for settings, and at the settings page just scroll down and find the default browser section, tap on it, click on next, select Opera by tapping on the respective icon, and then choose to set it as default. And that will also mean that you have successfully set Opera as your default browser on this device. Alright, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.